In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video on laptop or PC. So you can see I open my own channel. You need to first select your video and which video you want to download. So first you need to click on three dot menu. Again click on download. So it's already done. So you need to click on download quality. So you can see YouTube. If you want to download its full resolutions like full HD 720, you must be need YouTube Premium, but I want to download it's free. So now click on download low 144 pixel, then click on download. Then now how to find this video, right? Now at the left side you can see here are download option. Just click here, then you can see it's on here available. So now you can watch this one. So this is the method how you can download YouTube video on laptop or PC. So if you have found this video helpful, for make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, bye.